Hello, 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 hello. This is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well, guys, I recently got my Payton subscription box from Goldmine and Coco, and I just wanted to go ahead and share with you my happy mail, joy mail, treasure mail, just in case you're ever interested in subscribing to this particular subscription. I love this box. She's going through a rebranding, and as you can see, it says Luxurious Stationery and Planner. Love it. And then this cute box it came in. This is Peyton, and she has all her planner supplies, and she is ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Isn't this cute? I opened the package and there is a holiday card featuring Payton as Santa. So cute. I love it. And it's a blank card. So love it. Very cute. So hope she comes out with her own holiday cards for her shop, because I would get them. They're very cute and festive. Very cute. So I could put this on my phone and use it as my holder for my phone. Love it. So cute. It's not cute. I don't want to use it on my phone though. I just want to look at it. But we're not going to do that. We're going to use all things, right? Okay. We have Payton with the emojis. I believe these are the emojis that we have in our Payton app on our phones. And you can download that through your app store. So they're really fun. And so here we have Payton drinking coffee or tea. And then Payton is telling you where to go with that finger. And then she also has a special message for particular people. And then, of course, she's drinking her tea / coffee. I think it's tea, though. Here we got Payton looking a little bit perturbed. And then Payton is like, skip, y'all. This is a turn up. I got my glass of wine. Let's go. And then we all experience the end of the day where you just want to either pull your hair up or back or snatch your hair off, whichever one is applicable to you. But it looks like she's having that kind of a day. And then it just repeats itself. So you get 2 sets of that on one sheet. So cute, right? Next up, Payton loves Target, does she not? Look at that Target card, and then I'm thinking that's her maybe something to drink in hand. I know in our Targets we have Starbucks, so you can pick up your Starbucks and get to rolling while you're shopping. And then it looks like Payton uses the cash envelope system. And so she's taking out her envelope for her shopping experience. Payton has a migraine. Payton is loving or is not happy with her bills. I believe those are bills. Yeah. And therefore she has a migraine. And then looks like Payton is smelling her money. And again, Payton is going shopping. And now Payton has empty pockets, right? And so then it's a duplication of those stickers again. Very nice. Next up, Payton is a boss lady. So we do see Payton here in her business chair, and she might be discussing some very key elements. So while she's doing that, she's going to have a little drink in hand with a little snack. But she is about business, so she is on her laptop. And she's so hard working that she falls asleep while she's working. Or maybe she has just burnt herself out planning in all of her planners and getting her planner lineup ready for 2020. So she needs a little nap. And then it looks like Payton is thinking here with her chin in her hand. Oh boy, Payton has had enough. Papers are tossing up in the air. But then the next sticker, Payton has herself together and she is organized and even a little smile on her face. And then we have Payton in her office chair again. And then there's just a duplication of those stickers. Next up, Payton got some self-care going on. Looks like she's having a spa day and she's getting her makeup on. Love it. And then it looks like Payton is practicing some dances here. Yes, the turn up. And then Payton is about to go flying or road trip with her girls. You never know. And then as we all do, Payton loves some Happy Mail. So yes, she is looking at that mailbox. Where is the Happy Mail? I feel her. I feel her. And then Payton has a sign there. And it looks like you can write in your own special message if you would like. Love those Afro puffs. And it looks like Payton is taking a moment to take in the sun as she vacations there. Love it. And then we got the self-care Payton sticker again. And of course, we're duplicating the stickers on the sheet. Next up, you know, Payton is a planner babe. So she got out her journals, her planners, and her drink, and her favorite pens, and she is ready to go. And every now and then Payton needs a break, so she will take in a meal. But there's nothing like just sitting down and getting your laptop and getting things done. Maybe she's uploading some YouTube videos or chatting with her friends online or just being a boss babe and taking care of business. And then we got Payton with her arms crossed and her legs crossed. I love this sticker with Payton just sitting in her chair, relaxing with her tea and her pastry and a good book. Yes, love it. And then of course we duplicate the stickers again. And then this is my favorite sheet. Isn't it cute? With Payton as Santa. So cute. And then we have Payton with her sweater, winter sweater on, and her leggings with a Coco mug. And then the next one, she's ready for 2020. So she got her bottle and ready for that to be popping. And then again, we got Santa Payton again. And then Payton thinks she's really cute with her back out in this dress, y'all. Yes, I love it. And Payton with gifts. And then, of course, it's football season, so Payton is cheering on her favorite team. Love it, love it, love it. And, of course, we got duplicate stickers. So this was a really fun box. I enjoyed it, as you can tell. Got a lot of goodies in here. Fun, fun, fun. And I cannot wait to use all of these stickers. All right. So we got a lot of functional and decorative stickers in here. And I will enjoy using these in my planners, especially my 2020 planners. And I'm not ready to give away my holiday card, so I don't know. It's so cute. I'll give it away next year. Well, thank you for joining me. If you decide that you wanted to subscribe or make any purchases from this particular shop, Goldmine and Coco, I do have a referral link below where you can get so much off of your first purchase. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on your notification button so that way whenever I go live or post new videos, you'll be the first to receive notification. Until the next time, happy holidays.